front of me is OnePlus Nord CE5, and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to click on Security and Privacy. Now scroll down again, this time to hit Privacy Controls and tap on Permission Manager. Now it's time to select one of your device's features you wish to manage and click on one of your apps under Allowed or Not Allowed sections. In my case, AliExpress from Not Allowed one. All you need to do here is pick one of those options, in this case Allow or Don't Allow, and go back. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, AliExpress gained access to my device's calendar. But you can also pick any feature just to find an app you wish to manage. Click on it, and instead of tapping on any of those options, scroll all the way down to access CO permissions. Now manage all of those, only for chosen app, the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!